Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison between two titans of the tire world, Continental SportContact 7 and PremiumContact 6. Let's roll into the details. Introduced in 2021, the Continental SportContact 7 is currently the best ultra-high performance tire out there in the market. On the other side, we have the Continental PremiumContact 6, which covers the ultra-high performance tire segment. When the skies open up, the SportContact 7 shines, edging out the PremiumContact 6 in wet braking and handling. It stops shorter by 0.4 meters from 80 kilometers per hour and maintains a slightly higher lap speed despite its lesser tread depth. In aquaplaning tests, the SportContact 7 again leads, showcasing its prowess in keeping you safe in slippery situations. Dry roads tell a different tale. Surprisingly, the PremiumContact 6 matches the SportContact 7 in dry braking distance, a remarkable feat for its class. However, the SportContact 7 takes the crown in dry handling, earning its title as the dry handling king with a noticeable advantage in lap speed. In the quest for tranquility, the PremiumContact 6 whispers its way ahead, offering a ride that's not just luxurious but also significantly quieter. It's a difference you can hear, making every journey as peaceful as it is pleasurable. Energy efficiency takes center stage in our next comparison. Rolling resistance, a key factor in fuel economy and sustainability, sees both tires perform closely. But don't let the numbers fool you. Each tire brings its own flavor to efficiency, tying closely in this eco-friendly duel. And there you have it. The SportContact 7 shines with its unmatched handling and performance in wet conditions, while the PremiumContact 6 offers a quieter, serene ride without compromising on safety. It's not about declaring a winner. It's about finding the perfect match for your ride and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.